How to fix if your cannot receive calls on Poco M8. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, click power button and volume up button and restart device. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification and status bar. Click on customize icon display and you will see DNS is here, DND is here. So make sure turn off DND button. After turn off DND button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, click on settings app. Click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity options, click on reset settings. Enter your phone pin, click on next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if you cannot receive calls on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.